Hey, it's Dickey from Hair Rules. I have a great question. I'm interested in trying a protective style to promote hair growth, but I'm concerned about the damage to the hairline. I see a lot of women who wear braids and wigs. What are your thoughts, and can I achieve a better results of keeping my hair healthy and conditioned but worn out? So a protective style, as you should be concerned that your edges can get damaged from those things. And yes, a protective style can be, if you're, say, a particular 4 or 3, or you just want to get, I say a week to 10, a week to 3 to 4 weeks is max that you can get out of a protective style. And a protective style can mean a blowout. It can mean braids, twist out, braid out, weave, or wig. So where that damage comes from and the concern that you should have if you're wearing a protective style is that generally those processes are left in the hair too long. So as a rule of thumb, for every hour that you sit in the chair, it should get you a week, right? So a blowout and a flat iron, or just a simple blowout with conditioner and oil, allows you to do like a halo braid or a bun, or switch it up every day, but at least your hair is out, it's protected and straight, right? Or it's looser. And it allows you to be able to get a whole week and have manageability and change your style every day, because it's in a safe, stretched out place, right? But oftentimes, you sit in the chair for too long, and over 4 hours for braids or a weave is way too long. Chances are, if you're sitting in there for longer than that, ain't no way you're gonna take those out in a month. Therein lies the problem. For every hour you sit in the chair, it gets you a week. 3 to 4 weeks is about as long as your strands and your scalp can sustain that amount of stress and neglect before it starts to snap back or snap off, or your scalp starts to get some type of bacteria, and your skin starts to produce retarded hair, or hair that just is more fragile than it should. The ideal is not to damage your hair by way of having a beautiful head of hair that gives you versatility, and switch it up with doing braids and weaves and wigs, which are beautiful options. And remember, this is not the first natural hair movement. The first natural hair movement was in the 70s, and nobody wore braids, or no, you didn't sit in between anybody's legs and get your hair braided or put up into some, beautiful braided look with beads even, for longer than 5 hours, or if that long. You just didn't do it, and you didn't wear those braids for longer than a week. Some of you may not remember, some of you should remember. And nobody had no hair loss or no edges or breakage until the 80s. That's another video coming very soon, but more importantly, that's as long as you should be wearing those styles before they start to become damaging. So they're great. By all means, do protective styles, do wigs, do weaves, do braids. They're all amazing things. But it becomes disrespectful to sit longer than 3 to 4 hours in someone's chair to have those styles achieved. They're not that serious, and they don't take that long. You should be concerned that the professional is being unprofessional by keeping you there that long and not getting to work like they got something to do, or someplace to go, or you to have someplace to go. No one is supposed to sit in your chair for that long. It's not necessary. I hope this helps. And yes, they can also promote hair growth, because you can feel and look cute and get away without having to do anything with your hair for 3 to 4 weeks. And then psychologically, it kind of, my hair grew a lot, right? So hope that helps.